Ever wondered if a little jar of miracle teeth powder could really fix years of enamel damage and discoloration? Here's an honest look at the product Odalit Teeth Restoration Powder, sold via the site shoppydop.com. Legit or scam? On the surface, Odalit markets itself as a mineral-rich tooth powder designed to restore enamel, strengthen gums, and whiten teeth with natural ingredients like hydroxyapatite and silica. Some review sites present positive personal anecdotes. Users noted less sensitivity and a slightly brighter smile after a few weeks. But there are serious red flags worth noting. The vendor site, shoppydop.com, receives very low trust ratings, about 20.8 out of 100, for being suspicious, unsafe, doubtful, based on domain age, hidden ownership, and links to other flagged websites. Additionally, credible sources like Africa Check state there is no strong evidence that mineral powders can reliably restore enamel or treat cavities and gum disease as the ads claim. Africa Check. If you buy this product, treat it as a low-cost experiment, not a game changer. It's not obviously a scam, you'll likely get a product, but the health claims are vastly overinflated and the seller's trustworthiness is weak. If you decide to try it, use secure payment, moderate expectations, and definitely consult a dentist before relying on it for serious dental issues. Have you used Odalit or seen this advertised? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience might help someone else. If you liked this review, subscribe to the channel.